APC interacting with the T cell via MHC peptide complexes and co-stimulatory molecule like CD80 and CD28. It also highlights the role of cytokines in signaling and the eventual production of T memory cell like TCM and TEM following an immune response. So this infographic produced by Biochem 123 in 2023 specifically maps these interaction in the context of the SARS-CoV-2 virus and enhanced immune responses. That's why I need to explain the entire procedure in 5 major steps of T cell activation and memory formation. So first of all, antigen presentation is going on, and that is the signal 1 processing. So in antigen presentation, capture, processing, display and recognition will be takes place, and in the capture process, antigen presenting cell or APC engulf the invading virus first, and in the processing, antigen presenting cell breaks the virus down into tiny peptide fragments. Then display process will be going on, and in the display, APC loads the viral peptide molecule or fragments, we can say, onto its MHC molecule. Then recognition will be going on, and in the recognition process, the naive T cell bind to this complex using its specific T cell receptor. In the process number 2, or we can say a co-stimulatory process or signal 2 processing, verification and G0 signaling is going on. So in the verification process, the T cell require a second confirmation signal to activate, that are G0 signal, or we can say CD80 or CD86 on the antigen presenting cell bind to CD28 on the T cell, and that will result to this dual formation or dual signal lock formation, that is APC and initial T cell lock formation. So this dual signal lock triggers survival, proliferation and metabolic changes. In the step number 3 or process number 3, cytokine directing is there, and this is known as signal 3 process, and secretion differentiation will be going on here, and also the B cell help will be taken in this step. So in the secretion process, the antigen presenting cell and surrounding environment release local chemical messenger called cytokines, and after secretion, differentiation is going on. So in the differentiation process, these cytokine command the T cell to mature into specific functional subsets, and B cell help will be taken, like activated T cell assist B cell to switch antibody types like IgA, IgM, IgG and IgE, as you have seen in this diagram. And in the step number 4, or regulation and feedback mechanism is going on after third cytokine directing process, and there will be a brake system is there in this process in the step 4. And in this process, after activation, the T cell upregulates a checkpoint molecule called CTLA4 that will result into shutting down the response to prevent autoimmune tissue damage. Then step number 5 is memory differentiation. So in this process, survival, central memory formation and effector memory formation is going on. So in the survival process, after clearing the virus, most T cell die, but a selected few become long-lived memory cell, and they differentiated into central memory TCM or effector memory cell TEM. So central memory cell or TCM expresses CD62L plus, and they home to lymph nodes for long-term surveillance. Then another one is effector memory or TEM that lacks CD62, means these are CD62L minus cells, and they patrol blood and peripheral tissues for immediate action. So that is all about the T cell